Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you want to send and receive money internationally with low fees, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create your own Wise account in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to wise.com. If you're on mobile, you can also download the Wise app from the Play Store or App Store. The Wise app's icon looks something like this. Let's get started with this one. On the Wise homepage, you'll see three main options. If you already have an account, simply tap Login. You also have an option to sign in with your Google account. But for this video, we are trying to register an account, so tap Register. Here, enter your email address. Once done, tap Next. And as you can see, your verification link has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. And tap Confirm email address. Wise will ask if you want a personal account or a business account. Most people will choose personal unless you are signing up for a company. Here, choose your country of residence and tap Continue. Tap Next. Here you need to enter your phone number. And once done, tap Send Code at the bottom. As you can see, a security code has been sent to my SMS. Here, generate a strong password. Once done, tap Register. Tap Continue for security notifications. Let me keep my notifications off for now and tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Here you will be given with options to set up your biometrics or passcode. Biometrics makes the login process quite easier and quick, so let me go with this one. Here, enter your legal name, enter your date of birth, and once done, tap Save and Continue. Here, enter your address or postcode. Once done, tap Confirm and Continue. And that's it. Once your account is verified, you can start sending, receiving and holding money in multiple currencies at low fees. And that's it. You have successfully created your Wise account. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe for more simple guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.